Hello my flourishing friends! Another video! With that so, another week is done. I hope you all had a nice Easter weekend last week and are ready for some spring vibes. I am for sure. I'm really thrilled. We have amazing weather here. The last week we had one day where it was a bit cloudy and a bit meh. But for the rest it's really amazing weather. So great. Today I have prepared for you a little flipbook show and tell. I crafted it for a special friend. I think by the time this gets released, it's probably already in the mail and off to a far away country. It's actually not that far, but okay. Yeah, like I said, I already made it, so I'm gonna show it to you to give you some inspiration for your own project. Let's dig in. To begin with, what I started here with were 3 different pieces of paper. And I cut them and prepared them like I want to do a greeting card. Then I also took all of them individually and decorated them. And in the end, I punched a hole in every page and put twine in it and tied it all together. So that's really an easy way to have a binded flipbook, which looks a bit different from other flipbooks. Because I'm actually not a big fan when you staple it or something. A lot of times the pages rip a bit. So this is what I went for. Those were stickers and cutouts I still had. Yeah, just layered them a bit behind and up front. The little stripes I chose for to give it a more 3D dimension. This way also the spring pops out more. Then I put 2 golden pineapples here because pineapples for me are really, I know it's a summer fruit, but for me it's really already in spring. Actually, we bought the first pineapple of the year this week and I'm really excited to cut it. Okay. Flip it open. Yeah, as you see and as you know from another flipbook that I did, I don't mind if clear tape shows or not. So I think it doesn't really change a lot. And in the end, it's all a homemade craft project, and I think you can also show it a bit. It's okay. I dedicated this page to tea. That's also why I put 2 flavors right here. Because what I did was I have here 2 compartments where you can actually put tea bags in. I'm going to do that later. So I just put some nice little knickknacks here and there. Did my signature here. And just Googled some nice, funny tea things like positivity. I think everybody needs some positivity, by the way. Okay, so let's flip it. As you already learned on this channel, because apparently we are also educational, spring in Dutch means lente. You already learned that in the unboxing video I did in this one. And yeah, I like to share, especially when I don't write with Dutch people. I like to also tell a bit about my language and yeah, the other way around. So you can learn a bit. You never know when you sit in that game show and that question comes up and then you're like, oh, I know it, it's lente. I know chances are small, but still, knowledge can never hurt, right? Here I put another pocket and the dog comes in, of course. Yeah, for this one I decided to do a bit of a reverse papers. So I took a piece of this paper and put it on here and a piece of this paper and put it in here. I cut the corners with a funny squirrely corner cutter and just glued it, and then it's immediately tied together. That's a really good trick that you can do. You all comfy, dog? She's looking at me like, what are you doing? Okay, to the next page. Do what makes you happy every day. That's true. Yeah, I hope this helped this page really, yeah, let's say simple, because what I planned with this one is to take the letter. This actually doesn't contain the letter, but there goes the dog again. But a little nice envelope I planned for this, and it's supposed to go here, so you don't even see much what's going on. But what I like about this is when you take the letter out, that you have a little surprise here, because, as I already said several times, my mother language is German. I also like to teach about that. Well, I would be horrible a German teacher. But yeah, spring in German means Frühling. So hope you learned something again there. Okay. Okay, let's flip over. Now we come to something. I immediately lose my speed. That I've planned actually for in a couple of weeks. I'm a big fan of Cinco de Mayo. That means 5th of May for all of you non-Spanish people. I always celebrated it when I was still living in the States and miss it dearly, and always do my little own Cinco de Mayo. And I thought I'd bring a bit of that vibe to my pen pal already. But like I tried to say in a really different way right now, I also want to do a video for this channel completely dedicated to Cinco de Mayo. So stay tuned for that. What I have here for this pen pal is a nice salsa recipe. I don't remember, but I think we already had that in one video before. I think I put it in a pocket letter or something. I have to watch that back. But yeah, it's a really good recipe and it's easy. And yeah, I think everybody likes tortillas with salsa. So yeah, you can have a little fiesta. Yeah, this is just a fun page, and recipes are always cute, and I think a recipe is a nice gift which costs nothing, which is always good, especially when you're on a little budget. Let's flip it. First of all, I have to say something about this page. Yeah, lately I'm really into succulents, as you might see. I don't know what it is about them, but every time we go to a garden center or something, I cannot hold on to myself. Also counts for fake ones, which are sometimes more handy because of the dog, because she's really in a sniffy phase lately. But let me know, this is not only for my pen pal, also for you guys. Do you like them as well? Or do you maybe want a video? Just let me know. Yeah, what I also found, and I know I'm always like, yeah, crafting on a budget and make it not so cheap, make it not so expensive. And now you look at this and think like, hey, but she's including a necklace to flipbook. Yes, I did, because I like to send little gifts as well. And this was really not expensive. I actually bought 3 of those. They already came with this card, which I thought was super duper cute, and I got them on sale. And yeah, I think this is also a nice gift, which also doesn't weigh much, because of course with mail we have to watch the weight. Yeah, and like me, I like jewels, so I thought this would be a nice little gift to brighten up my friend's day. Another idea for you guys maybe. What I also did one time was a jewelry swap. That was also nice. So I sent my friend a piece that I just almost never wear, and she did the same. So we both had a new nice item. It was awesome, because actually the thing we both received then we liked more than the thing we sent out, so we did everything right. Okay, and that's the last page. That was fun. It actually was. Also showing you guys. I just saw this, I cut this part out of a magazine somewhere, but when I read it I was laughing so bad, and I was thinking, yeah, okay, I have to put it on the back of a card, because usually you don't even look at the back of some things. But I chose to use it for this flip book, and my little scissor sticker just came in super handy because it's a crafting project. Yeah, let me show you how I wrap this up. Like I already showed you, the letter is gonna go here, and the tea, I have here orange flavor, because I also try to make everything fit together with the colors. So orange tea goes in here, and the lemon one goes here. So some fresh colors pop out here, and I also put them a bit, how do you say it, not on the same height, so when you flip it together it doesn't stick out so much. See, when I close it, it's not that big as if they would lay on top of each other. That's also a good thing you can keep in mind when you do a project like this. Don't layer things on top too much. What I also like to do is do things where you put the tea bags like this. So if you include 2 teas, it's not that big. It's also just a thing on the side. Yeah, and there we have it. I really hope you enjoyed this video. I had a ton of fun crafting it, and even more fun showing it to you guys. Yeah, like I said, I'm super duper thrilled for spring and even more thrilled for summer. Yeah, that's it for today. I thank you so much for watching. I hope you liked it. If you did so, please hit the like button. That shows me that you at least watch it. If you're not already part of the Flourishing family, please hit subscribe. That would help me out a lot. I would love to see the Flourishing family grow and grow. And like you already saw, the last weeks I mix up the channel quite a bit, and I look forward to even more exciting projects I've planned for you guys. Yeah, I think that's all I have to say. So I wish you a great day. Bye.